Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to create rooms in Character AI. Now, the first thing that you should do is simply go and open your Play Store and you should download Character AI first on your phone. And if you have it already, you just have to check if you have any updates. So, here in my case, I'll just search for it, and here you have it. I actually have an update, so I'm gonna update it, then come to you back. And now, once you download the update or the application itself, now you'll have to open it on your phone. And once you open it to create a room, it is a very simple process. You just have to click on this plus sign right here on the create button, then choose group chat. It is called group, not room, but it's all some synonyms. You just have now to search for any character and add it. I'm gonna add here, for example, Hulk from Marvel. And now I'm gonna add some other characters. So you can add as many characters as you need. And now on the top right here, you can simply change its name. You can simply just change it in order to find it easily. I'm gonna name it Jojo, for example, then click on save. Then I'm gonna click on create group chat. And here you are, you have the group or the room created. Now you can simply invite other friends in order to talk with you. You can also click on any one of these characters in order to make them talk. And you can click on this dice sign in order to make the things go randomly with some surprises. You cannot now actually expect who is going to talk first, and you can also join the conversation by typing anything that you need. And that is it. This is how you can actually do it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.